Welcome to Experts Tech. In this video, we will talk about how to install dual boot Windows using VHD drive. There are a lot of methods to do this, and I'm just going to show you the most user-friendly method. To create a blank VHD, a PowerShell script, instead of dividing your hard disk into multiple partitions typically required for dual boot multiple operating systems, booting to a VHD permits you to keep your primary operating system untouched and contrary boot to a VHD file on the same file system. So this is what I'm going to do. Insert Windows Server DVD and boot your PC computer server from the DVD and select Next. Choose Install Now. Select operating system and then click next. Optionally, enter your product key and then click next. Accept terms of use and then click on next. Select custom install. Press Shift F10 to open a command prompt windows. Find installation drive, directory C, D or E, etc. Create a folder if you like, for example, Win 2019. Type dir D: to check the virtual hard drive disk. Type exit. Choose the disk with unallocated space which matches the drive size we have created earlier. In my example, I created a 60 GB hard drive which is shown below as disk 2. This is my VHD virtual drive. I will be dual booting onto it. Select it and then click next. It will take some time to complete. The system will reboot automatically when completed. Set administrator password and then click finish. Windows login screen. Now you can see all your physical drives. In fact, you can have a look at the physical disk where you stored the VHD virtual hard drive. You will see the .vhd file that Windows operating system is installed in. In my example, the C is my system drive where Windows is installed, and the D drive is my physical disk. See the Win 2019 .vhd file, that is my C drive. Select the Windows key plus R and then type msconfig. Select the boot you want to be the default. Select Set as Default button. Click on OK. There you go. If you face any problem, leave your comment on the comment section. If you want to purchase this service, contact us on WhatsApp or email address. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to our channel for more solutions. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.